How many of you like to explore the natural world around you? I love discovering new things and taking the time to learn more about the fascinating plants and animals around me. So today, I want to invite you to learn along with me. Welcome to the amazing world of terrestrial isopods. Let's explore these amazing creatures together. What? You have no idea what a terrestrial isopod is? Yes. These are all around us and can be found in many different environments, but you may have called them by a different name. They can be called pillbugs, woodlice, or roly-polies. Are you still wondering what exactly terrestrial isopods are? Let's break it down. The first word, terrestrial, means lives on the land, like not in the water or the air. And the second word, isopod, refers to a crustacean of the order Isopoda. This has to do with the way scientists have classified and grouped these specific animals. Scientists group animals with other animals that share the same body types and functions. Terrestrial isopods have been grouped with other crustaceans. You may have heard the words isopod and crustacean when talking about creatures of the sea. Yes, the terrestrial isopods' closest relatives live in the water. Other crustaceans that they're related to are shrimp, lobster, crabs, and giant isopods. Remember, pillbugs are crustaceans, not insects, and they have some of the same body structures as their relatives of the water. These include an exoskeleton, jointed legs, and gills. Yes, you heard me right, gills. With this somewhat aquatic breathing apparatus, terrestrial isopods need to live in a damp environment. Talking about a terrestrial isopod's environment, let's see if we can find some. Have any of you found them around your house, either inside or out? Isopods need damp environments, so they like to live near the surface of the ground where it is damp and dark. They also like to live in dark, damp places in our houses. Has anyone ever picked up a brick or log in your yard? Many times we find these fascinating creatures under that brick. You can also find them under leaves, near the top of the soil, and when it gets dry, they like to venture deeper into the ground where there is moisture. So if you were an isopod, what would be on the menu? Think about where they live. What food is available? Pillbugs are what we call detrivores. This means they eat decomposing plant matter. Detrivores are a very important part of the ecosystem and are nature's recyclers. Pillbugs eat rotting wood, decaying leaves, and bark, as well as other decomposing matter in their environment, and they turn this into a nutrient-rich soil. Terrestrial isopods have a unique body structure. Their exoskeletons are curved on the back, and they are made of several segments with 7 pairs of legs. They also have an interesting way of defending themselves. When they sense danger, pillbugs simply roll themselves into a ball. This is why they have the common names of pillbugs or roly-polies. Many species can roll themselves into a perfect ball, protecting their soft underbellies and delicate legs. Thank you for exploring the amazing world of terrestrial isopods with me. I hope you've learned a bit more about what they are, where they live, and what they eat. Next time you see a terrestrial isopod, take the time to really study these fascinating creatures.
Created using Powtoon.